Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming warranty and Apple Care Plus eligibility with the AirPods serial and receipt. This determines cost and options. Once done, sign into your Apple ID so Apple can verify ownership and photograph proof of purchase to upload. Next, choose mail-in or carry-in. Pick carry-in for same-day possibilities, mail-in for convenience. Make sure to note the AirPods case and serial. Without it, replacement can be delayed. Now prepare to contact Apple support online or book an in-store appointment. You run the diagnostic test via Apple support or at the Genius bar so Apple logs the fault and issues a diagnostic ID. This speeds approvals. Once you have that ID, choose mail-in or store appointment. Schedule immediately to lock availability and make sure any fees shown match your coverage. For mail-in, follow Apple's packing and label instructions exactly. For carry-in, bring original box, serial, and photo ID. Keep records of confirmation numbers and predicted timelines so you can track progress. You inspect the replacement immediately. Test left/right audio, mic, charging, and check battery health. Confirm the serial matches your documentation. Once satisfied, pair the AirPods to your Apple ID and update firmware so features and warranty transfer correctly. Recycle or erase the old unit following Apple's instructions. If Apple denies the claim, remain calm, ask for the diagnostic report, request escalation to a manager, and use chat support. If necessary, present the original receipt and escalate to consumer options until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.